Hello, my name is Patricia Landaverde, and I want to talk about my work of the ecology of honeybee virus in wild bees visiting coffee flowers. Until now, there are many drivers that have been studied that are responsible of the declines of pollinators. However, one that has not been assessed is the presence of honeybee virus in wild bees and how this is affecting the service of pollination. Therefore, my question was, how does land use and the presence of honeybee virus in wild bees affect the community of the wild bees and the service of pollination to coffee? For that, we work in 8 pair sites with contrasting systems, agroecological and conventional, in coffee plantations in Guatemala. We collected the diversity of floral visitors, and we additionally collected 4 species, 1 honeybee and 3 stingless bees for the extraction of NNA and scan for virus. And we also did pollination experiments with the goal to determine the effect that these variables will have on the service of pollination. We found that the presence of virus in Apis mellifera was very high, even reaching 40% for black cell virus, for example, while this spillover to wild bees seems to be low because we find the presence of some of this virus, but in lower proportion, the maximum 8% and going even to 0%. However, then we analyzed also how the environmental variables were having an effect. In the service of pollination, we find that any variable were having an effect, and we found that from the diversity, only the general abundance and the abundance of Partamona bilineata and Apis mellifera, the most common floral visitors, were having a positive relationship with the service of pollination. And finally, analyzing the virus, we find that only the presence of black cell virus of Apis mellifera seems to have a positive relationship with the fruit set. However, this could be only because of the amount of Apis mellifera that were present and were having this virus, which suggests that until now we don't have evidence to relate the presence of virus with some decline in the service of pollination of the colonies of wild pollinators. Thank you very much for your attention, and please, if you have questions, write to the email.